and that is this big, you know, bump here of old soil and roots and stuff. I'm gonna try to clean that out, and I'm just gonna make a short movie here. What's gonna happen? So as you can see in the background, I got a really old, nice stone wall that's been covered by this for many years, and instead of building it just to make it higher, I'm just gonna actually try to bring out all the stones, like the bottom 2 layers of stones. It's gonna make the entire wall be much more majestic. It's quite amazing. It's like archaeology, but you know, for landscaping. And instead of building up, I'm removing. I don't know what's probably, you know, it could be just soil and roots, or it could be actually a lot of fallen rocks down here that I can clip up into the wall. So it's kind of a win-win. If it's rocks, then that's good. If it's not, well, that's good too. All right, so I'm starting like this, and then I'm making it a quicker movie later on. So far, yes. All right, I'm done. Oh no, well I removed the soil, and if I manage to put the fast clip into the same bit. All right, let's see. Okay, maybe this is better. Okay, so what I've done is, I'm trying to stay out of the picture so it doesn't zoom on me. Okay, so the ground level before was right about here. You can see the dark markings on the stones, so up to here, right? So basically all the stones down here was underneath the soil, and you can imagine when you get rain on it and you get the stones actually turning out to be this bright color again. And when I remove all the rest behind this tree here and then all the way down and flatten everything, it's gonna be majestic, beautiful, restored, old farm field stone wall, a part of our heritage, our culture, our history. A lot of sweat and tears. I'm sure the farmers were crying back then as well. Probably a few loose nails and angry. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as they say.